You lead with vision in business, but when it comes to your marriage, you dismiss her insight. You don't mean to. You think you're protecting her. You think you're staying strong for the family. But what if I told you the very thing you're ignoring in her is the thing that could multiply your success? Let's talk about the silent killer in high-level relationships and what to do instead. I work with powerful, top-level providers, elite performers, respected leaders, and the one blind spot that keeps showing up is this. They ignore their wife's emotional and spiritual intuition. Hear me out. They lead at work, but not with her. And then they wonder why she's cold, distant, or checked out. Here's the truth. Your wife's insight isn't noise. It's strategic wisdom, especially when you're building something big and you need that. I've seen this firsthand when my fiance started coming to me, not for emotional comfort, but for insight he couldn't get from a business partner. His business changed. He hit his first million. Now, in under 2 years, he built a $1.5 million company, and it's still growing. That shift didn't just scale his business, it deepened our bond and made our relationship his greatest ROI. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make that shift so you can lead stronger, love deeper, and build the marriage that fuels everything else. And if you're ready to become the leader she trusts and respects, download the free marriage ROI toolkit in the description below. She doesn't want to take over. She wants to feel considered. Your wife is not asking to lead your company. She's asking to be heard in your life. What do you think? Does this feel right to you? What's your take on this? These questions cost you nothing, but they give her everything. Because when a woman feels included, she brings her intuition to the table. And that intuition, it's a superpower in business and in life. You don't have to hand her the steering wheel. You just have to stop driving blind. Number 2, she's holding emotional data you don't see. Men lead with logic. Women lead with feel. That doesn't make one better than the other. It makes you stronger together. Ignoring your wife's insight because it's not rational, it's like trying to build a business without a blueprint. We all know that's frustrating, inefficient, and full of preventable mistakes. Her gut feeling, it might just be the very thing that saves your next deal or your marriage. If this is hitting home and you want to lead her better, download the free marriage ROI toolkit below. It'll give you 5 simple tools to lead emotionally and powerfully at home. Inclusion builds trust, and trust builds loyalty. When you shut her out of decisions, even unintentionally, you teach her to stay silent, to stop offering input, to stop dreaming with you. That silence is the beginning of disconnection. But when you invite her in, she doesn't just feel included. She feels honored. That's when you get her support, her loyalty, her fire behind your vision. That's when she becomes your secret weapon in life and in business. That's what separates you from any other high-performing men out there. High-level leaders know how to win at work, but the elite ones, they win at home too because they lead with wisdom, not just willpower. Book your free call below if you want a personalized strategy to your situation so you can lead your relationship like a true high-level man. Because when she's with you in mind, heart, and spirit, nothing at all can stop you. Nothing. Book a call now.